Hi guys, this is Sukanya Kaur. I hope you're all staying safe and sound. You all know the kind of times we are living in now. That's why I've come up with a very easy and a healthy recipe today. I'm going to show you how to make Sukumalli coffee. Ever since the lockdown started, we've been drinking this every single day faithfully because of its medicinal properties. So when Premier reached out to me with their spice grinder, I thought it was a great opportunity for me to share this recipe with you guys. Sukka, which is dried ginger, the main ingredient in this recipe, is usually very tough and difficult to grind into a fine powder in our regular mixer grinders. Now, Premier claims that their spice grinder can grind something even as tough as coffee beans. So I put it to test, and I must tell you that I was very happy with the results. We'll talk about the product a little later into the recipe. First, let's go check out the ingredients required for this.
This recipe requires just 5 ingredients. Take a nice wide pan and add each ingredient separately, roast them and keep it aside. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the spice grinder from Premier. To check out their website, click on the link in the description below. They also happen to have an exclusive offer price until the end of September, so if you plan on purchasing this product, then I think this is a great time to do it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, Sukka is a very tough ingredient, and that's why I'm going to grind that first and show you guys how it turns out into a fine powder. As you can see, within just seconds, it turned out into a very fine powder. So now you can grind even tough ingredients like turmeric without damaging the blades in your regular mixer grinders. But make sure you break them into smaller bits before you grind them. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients and grind them together. You can also add a sweetener of your choice like sugar or jaggery and grind it along with the ingredients. But if you have somebody who's diabetic at home, then skip this step. Once it's done, make sure to store it in an airtight container. Now let's see how we can make the Sukumalli coffee. In a saucepan, I've added 3 cups of water. Before you add it, lower the flame so that it doesn't boil over. So I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of the Sukumalli powder. The ratio is for 1 cup of water, you must add 1 teaspoon of the Sukumalli powder. Give it a good mix and put it on medium flame and allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Add a sweetener of your choice. At home, we usually prefer using palm jaggery. Turn off the flame and keep it closed for a few minutes. Sukumalli coffee is now ready. Strain it and serve it hot.
I hope you guys try this out and enjoy your cup of Sukumalli coffee. The spice grinder from Premier will be a great addition in your kitchens. I simply love the product. If you plan on purchasing it, click the link in the description below. Please stay safe and don't forget to wear a mask every time you step out of the house. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe.